smiling. I'm so excited because we're finally getting through our short and long vowels. This is our last week where we're going to be practicing the short ones and the long ones. So this week, our first two are long. We have the word mule, like we had on our paper this morning, and fuse. Who knows what a fuse is? What's a fuse?
Like something that holds gas.
It could hold gas. Okay. What do you think, Addie?
It's when you have too much things plugged in, then the power goes.
Yeah, you might blow a fuse. And so to make something work, you have to have fuses. And if you like let's say Mrs. Murphy plugged in, used all of my outlets in here, and I'm taking too much power, I'm going to blow a fuse, okay? So a fuse makes something work, okay? Like an electrical fuse. Number 3 is a short vowel. That's the word plum. A plum is what you eat. Please don't be writing yet. Just be listening. Number 4 is use. Like if you use a marker or if you use your pencil. So you're going to use it. Number 5 is Doug. Number 6 is cub. We had that one this morning too. Eli, no thank you. Number 7 is hum. Like you're in music and you're going to hum a tune. Number 8 is going to trick you guys because you guys are going to say this is fugue.
No.
No.
Is that fugue?
No, that E jumps over. Not only does it boss the U around, it bosses the G around, which we're going to learn next week. The G is going to say J because there's an E behind it. And the E is bossing the U and the G. So this is huge. Then we have the short vowel of must and fun. Our 2 review words from last week are rope and nose. And then our high frequency words this week is look. And Mrs. Murphy always remembers this. In look, I go like this. I make the L-L-O-K. And I pretend that these are eyes. So if you guys want to think of that, because you hear the O, and we haven't learned the 2 O's yet. But when I remember the sight word look, I think of those as eyes. And then we have yes, Y-E-S, yes, and there. Now, this is a tricky word, but can I show you guys something? There are, and I just learned this yesterday. This is crazy. I just learned this yesterday. There are 3 kinds of there. There's the contraction, like they are going to the movies. They are going to the movies. There's the place. And somebody went like this. You guys see this R turned into an arrow? They're going to the place. So that this is like, I want to go there. I want to go to the movies. I want to go to the football field. I want to go there. Now, this is the fun one I learned. This kind of there, they turn this into a person, and that means you. Like, this is their water bottle. This is their pencil box.
Well, this
is their iPad.
What a pencil is that?
So, do you notice they all start with T-H-E? But, if you want the person, like this is they're owning it, you're going to put an I,
And then an R.
then an R.
You spell the and then put an I
Yep.
and an R.
Then you put the I and the R. So this week, if you can help remember that on your spelling test, you will be awesome. In a few weeks, we'll be practicing these too. Okay? Brooklyn, question?
Can I say something?
Sure. Yeah,
But if you just
I know.
put them together.
But that has nothing really to do with that. No, that's just to show that
That'd be
there
B.
is the person. Okay.